By the end of the 19th century, it had become clear that the theory of the atom's indivisibility could not be maintained any longer. At the turn of the century, English physicist Joseph John Thomson assumed that the negatively charged electrons are embedded in a positively charged substance.
Thomson referred to this as the plum pudding model because it reminded him of plums embedded in a pudding.
In Ernest Rutherford's experiments, gold foil was bombarded with alpha particles, that is, by helium nuclei. The majority of alpha particles simply passed through the foil, while a few of them changed their direction